Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
You alright?
I'm good, thanks. How are you? Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
I love your car.
Thank you
It's very nice. I don't love that you're using your phone though.
Can we switch?
I know.
No?
Because you're stuck here and I'm not. But please don't use your phone. I still have to report it, I'm afraid.
Thank you very much.
Sorry. You have a nice day.
No, too.